Good morning. Yes. Again, EVS classroom. I am with you. Okay. Now I think you avoided all your problems. Problems are not actually a problem. It's based on our attitude. How we will solve that problems. Always approach every problem with a peaceful mind. Then it will not be a problem. Okay. You know, in this world, no wealth than a peaceful mind. Yes? No wealth in this world than a peaceful mind. Yes. It's very short life, very less number of days only we will get. Very short life. So we should live, we should enjoy, and we want to approach with a peaceful mind. Live with a peaceful mind. Okay, dear children, you may be afraid any small problems. You approach with a positive attitude. Sure, you can solve that problem. Okay, so let us come back to our EVS class. Last class we studied globes and maps. Okay, globes and maps. I told you Ferdinand Magellan proved that the earth shape is round. Yes, and I told you the earth in a spherical model of the earth, it is rotating to help us to show different continents and oceans. But one problem we told that globes are very difficult to carry from one place to another place. That is why again they invented maps. Maps are representation of the earth in a flat surface. All are studied, I know. All are ready to tell answer. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about types of maps. Types of maps. Types of maps. We are going to study today types of maps. Different types of maps are there. Okay, first one, political map. Political map. First one, political map. Second one, physical map. Physical map. What is the second one? Physical map. Third one, road map. Road map. Fourth one, city map. And the last one, thematic map. It's actually very simple lesson. Very easy to study. Like a third standard, their all lessons are very easy, very simple lessons. So this is fourth standard also very simple lessons. Small lessons. And if it is coming any difficulty, we will clearly we will explain. Okay, don't worry. Fourth standard also very easy. So we are going to study types of maps. First one, political map. What will be the political map show? Look here, your textbook given one political map of Europe. It will show different countries in the world. Different countries. Or in a country, different states. Yes. What will be shown in India's political map? Yes, India's political map means India title is there and different states and its boundaries also. Okay, in the political map shows different countries and its boundaries. Example, India's political map will show 28 states and its boundaries. Okay, are you understanding? Look here, Europe political map shows their different states and its boundaries. Okay, next one, physical map. Second one, physical map. Last class we studied physical features. What are the physical features? Yes, mountains, plains, plateaus, deserts, etc. Look here, this is the physical map of India. Yes, here it is showing what are the things showing? Mountains, plains, desert, plateaus. Look here, Chota Nagpur plateau, Himalaya mountain, this here northern plains, deserts. Look here, coastal plains, this is blue color showing, water bodies. Here it is islands. Look, Sri Lanka and Maldives are islands. So what will be the physical map showing? Physical features or physical features of an area. Physical features of an area. Okay, and the third one, road map. Without explaining, you all know the answer. What will be the road map show? Yes, roads of a country or a particular area. Okay, roads of a country or a particular area in detail. To whom it's a benefit? Who will get this benefit? It's a road map. Yes, travelers or motorists to drive in a new place. If with them a road map is with them, by looking this road map, they can go in new places. Yes, next one, city map. Next one, city map. City map show what are the things? Roads, streets, railways, hotels, hospitals, etc. If a new person came in India or in a big city, like Delhi, Mumbai and all, by looking this city map, they can identify where it is the hotels, where a good hotel or hospital or railways, etc. Okay, that is city map. And the last one is thematic map. Look here, this thematic map focus on certain features or characteristics and area. Look here. Example, what they show? Vegetation, climate or crops grown in an area. Okay, climates or crops grown in an area. So, what are the maps we studied today? Types of map: political map, physical map, road map, city map, thematic map. Okay, dear children, these are the map we studied today. First of all, political map shows different countries and boundaries, different states of a country also. Next one, physical map shows physical features of an area. Third one, road map shows different roads. And next, city map shows main in a city, hospitals, hotels, and railways, streets, roads, etc. Okay, last, thematic map shows the vegetation or climates, crops grown there. This is the vegetation map. Okay, these are the maps we discussed today. So, I am concluding today's class. What we discussed, types of maps. Map is a representation of the earth in a flat surface. Okay, next we studied different types of map. Political, physical, road map, city map, thematic map. And we studied in detail also. What you want to do? You want to read the textbook 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 times as you like. And make a short note. What is map? What are the types of map? Okay. And after completing that work, you should forward to me. Okay. Ta-ta. See you.